All right, so more tapping techniques here. Today we're just gonna move down these 3 strings like this. So 5th, 6th, 7th, 5th on the last string there, 6th on the 2nd string, and then on the 4th string we got a 7. Okay, and you're just gonna use your pinky and you're gonna have a 4 fret spread like this, like that, and like this. So, and then your tapping part is going to be 12, 13, 14. So you're just essentially moving this pattern down just those 3 strings. You're going to tap the 12. Okay, holding down this note here, the 8th, 12, 8, 5. So essentially that pattern, and you're going to move it down. You're going to move this one down, and then you're going to have 6 and 9. Okay, then we're going to go to the final string, which is the 4th. Then we're going to do 7, 10, and then 14 right here. Okay, so we want to go slow. Okay, you're just going to keep practicing that. With the distortion on, you want to try to make sure that you're palm muting the strings so they don't ring out too much, which essentially gets a little harder over here on this string, but try to keep it controlled. All right, hope you enjoy that, and let me know if you want the tabs. I can provide them for you. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial on tapping. See you in the next one. Hey, if you enjoyed that, then you'll definitely want to